Okay, here this is a reasoning type, the basics reasoning type question. 45 laborers can build a road in 36 days. And how many laborers will build it in 54 days? So first we do here. We know, so we write to the according given here, given a 45 laborer in build a road in 36 days. So one laborer can build, so one laborer can build, right? This is multiply, okay? So 36 into 45, okay? 36 into 45. So for one laborer can build 36 into 45, so 1620 days for the one laborer can build this road. So now we are asking how many laborers can build for 54 days, right? So therefore for 54 days the laborer can build a road equal to, let's see, 620 by 54. Okay, this is for the one person, this is the days. So we can get the person here. But 2, 2 to 4, 2 7 14, 2 8 16, 2 and 2 0. And so this is here. This is 9, 9 3s are 27, 9 1 9, 90. So again 3 3 9, that is, this is 30. That means therefore 30 laborer need to complete the road in 54 days. When 45 laborers can complete in 36 days, then 30 laborers can complete 54 days. We need 44 days to complete. We need 30 laborers. Okay, this is a man called laborer. Okay, thank you.